Today, I will be showing you how to change the language in Wuthering Waves. First, make sure you are already inside the game. Once you're in the game, press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will open your profile menu, also known as the terminal. From the terminal menu, click on Settings to access the game's options. Inside the Settings menu, look for the chat bubble icon. This section contains communication and language-related settings. Next, go to the language selection option. Click on the drop-down menu and you will see a list of available languages. Select the language you prefer from the list. After choosing your language, the game may take a moment to apply the changes. In some cases, you may be prompted to restart the game for the new language to fully take effect. And that is how to change the language in Wuthering Waves. Thank you for watching.